believe in you, I believe in your mind. Though it's been a whole year since I've seen you, I stay here for you, though the time piles on. No.
Hey guys, welcome to another video, and this video, like you see, FOE Equestria Remains again. And well, I will play on the Slime Kingdom Trio, but before, don't forget to subscribe in the channel for now. Subscribe at my Portuguese channel, Flores channel, join my Discord server, and let's go. Let me see, I will need to use this knife. I hope you enjoyed the series, because it is very hard to record, like or not. And well, see you. Better I use this furniture. Let me see. No, incinerator. Peraí. E well, oh, I forgot to fix it. Nice, I caught a bong. And well, all the trials from sewers completed. Let's move to the base and let me see what the quests that I completed. Let's see. Not the SEO for now. With Windray, I think. No. So with Daycare, no. So, oh, with you, Bongi. Well, merchant. I have the toxin. Let's things. Okay, I will leave this video over here. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for now. Subscribe. And see ya.